Okay, this is a video tour of the Fairmont Princess in Bermuda, Hamilton, Bermuda. And this is the view when you walk in the door. You come to the right, and there is a beautiful walk-in closet. Lots of space, robes, full-length mirror, drawers, safe, very good size. Then if you come to the left, you have a bathroom that has a rolling door. Full, beautiful shower. Single sink vanity. Nice, clean, pretty bathroom. Then you come in here, you have a bed, a couch, nice little work area, TV, let's see, over here is a fridge, good size fridge, and a coffee maker. Then of course my favorite part, you come out onto this beautiful balcony, overlooks the harbor. Comes with a nice chair and a table. And that is a typical king room at the Fairmont Princess in Hamilton, Bermuda.